Central Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Brock, or 9 miles southeast of Mineral Wells, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Oh my God.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Azle, Briar, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Brock, Hudson Oaks, Western Lake, Annetta, Cool, Lake Mineral Wells, Lake Weatherford, Cresson, Annetta South, Annetta North, Millsap, Sanctuary, and Junta. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 392 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Yo. Another severe thunderstorm warning.
The current